Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do basically a pantry meal. We're going to use canned chicken. You can use your own home canned chicken or store-bought. A can of cream of chicken soup. A can of diced green chilies. A can of green enchilada sauce. Some sour cream. And any kind of grated cheese you have. And some flour tortillas. So, did I say corn? I'm going to use some frozen corn. We are going to add the chicken juice and all. I'm going to mix the juice with this cream of chicken soup. I gotta rinse all these cans for recycle. Mix that up. Might need a whisk. It's trying to be quiet so you didn't hear scrapey but okay. Gonna add our chilies. Whole thing. Up. Going to add some cheese. I'm going to add our meat. Shred that up in there. This is good to use with leftover turkey. If you have turkey from Thanksgiving left over, don't know what that situation is going to be yet. Leftover roast chicken, baked chicken, any kind of chicken or turkey. It's a good leftover meal. I usually do it with leftover turkey around Thanksgiving. Let me get some frozen corn. This is also a good way to sneak in some spinach or something like that. You could add black olives. It's already dark outside, or I'd get some green onion. I think I need to delete some stuff off the camera because it's turning itself off. So now for seasonings, you could add anything you wanted to this. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm not going to add any salt because that soup is salty enough. You could add taco seasoning if you wanted to. Black olives, green onion, spinach. Okay, now we're going to get another bowl. So let me get a bowl. Okay, in this fancy schmancy sour cream bowl, we're going to add some sour cream. You would add the equivalent of a small container, can of our enchilada sauce. And mix that up. If you like the enchiladas with the sour cream sauce, you'll like this Mexican lasagna. This fly is making me crazy. Okay. I think this video is on the channel somewhere way back many years ago. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of our sauce, and you could add some red salsa if you wanted. I'm going to add some tortillas, flour tortillas. Filling. More tortillas, and you could add cheese. But there's cheese in the filling. This fly and I are going to war after I finish this. I need to cut up another tortilla. I'll just use this tore up one over here. Get all that filling in there. Isn't this easy? Super easy. Spread it around. Some more tortilla. going to take our sour cream sauce, put it all over the top. Then some of our pepper cheese. This is very spicy. And some of this 3-cheese Mexican blend. And I'm going to put it in the toaster oven, Cuisinart air fryer doohickey, and let it bake until it's bubbly and hot. So I will show it to you when we are serving this up. Well, here's dinner, you guys. Some sliced tomatoes, some chips, some refried beans with cheese on top, and our Mexican lasagna. Let's give it a taste. It's smoking hot. You want to let it cool when you take it out. Like you do regular lasagna. It's yummy. So give it a try. Pretty much all pantry items, even the refried beans. Tomato came from the garden. You could use any seasonings you want, but I put in that spicy cheese and the green chilies and stuff. You could use Rotel, but I would drain it. So there you go. There's our dinner. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Share your prepper pantry ideas, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.